Hi, my name is Elleri, and I'm one of the Animal Husbandry Directors at Natural Bridge Wildlife Ranch. Welcome to our brand new educational series, and this month we're going to be talking about rhinos. What do rhinos eat? Well, here at Natural Bridge Wildlife Ranch, we have 7 white rhinos. So white rhinos are going to be much different from black rhinos as far as their diet goes. So out here at the Wildlife Ranch, we give our white rhinos about 6 bales of coastal hay a day. They also get a few gallons of a specialty type of grain pellet, and they eat that up first thing in the morning. So the reason that it's so different from the black rhino species is because the black rhinos like to browse. They have a much different shape of mouth, which enables them to pull off browse, branches, twigs, and sometimes even fruits. If you would like to see our rhinos up close and personal, you should definitely check out one of our behind-the-scenes rhino experiences. You'll be able to watch them graze through some alfalfa hay as well as get an up-close personal connection.
Alrighty guys, time for a pop quiz. Why do black rhinos and white rhinos have different diets? Is it A, because they live in different regions, B, because they have different shaped mouths, or C, because they eat the same thing? That's right guys, B. They have different shaped mouths. So black rhinos like to browse while white rhinos like to graze.
Do rhinos make a good house pet? No. While white rhinos tend to be a little bit more social than the black rhino species in general, they have very poor eyesight, so it's pretty easy to startle them. You wouldn't want to see that coming around the corner. Speaking of coming around a corner, rhinos are typically pretty wide. I'm not sure they'd be fitting through the average door size. They also can weigh up to a few thousand pounds. Gertie here weighs over 4,000 pounds currently. So due to their very large weight, rhinos do need to eat quite a bit. So I hope you've got plenty of hay stocked up for them because they can eat a few bales a day. Lastly, how much mud do you have laying around the house? Because rhinos require a big old mud wall unable to regulate their body temperature since they are unable to sweat. Speaking of mud, come join our behind the scenes experience where you can get up close and personal with our rhinos and scratch some of that mud off of them.
Time for the next pop quiz. How many bales of hay a day do rhinos eat? Is it A, a few, B, they don't eat any hay, or C, 1 bale of hay? If you guessed A, you are correct. Full-size rhinos will eat at least a few bales a day every day.
How much do you think a baby rhino calf weighs? Well, they start out about 125 pounds, but each month they're expected to gain about 100 pounds. Rudy is only about 6 months old and he weighs currently about 765 pounds. White rhinos can reach weights of up to 2.5 tons. That's 5,000 pounds. And speaking of, our male rhino, Kutu, he weighs 5,280 pounds currently. Let's talk about how awesome a rhino's horn is. It's fully made up of keratin, which is just like our fingernails and our hair. And just like our fingernails grow, a rhino's horn can grow about 3 to 9 centimeters a year. A rhino's foot might not be what you expected. They're actually considered 3-toed ungulates. In the bottom of their foot, in the center of it, it's like a soft foot pad, and then the top of it is like their nails, that as they walk down, they can naturally file themselves.
How many pounds a month do you think a baby rhino will gain? A, 70 pounds, B, 200 pounds, or C, 100 pounds a month? If you picked C, you're right. Our baby guy right here, Rudy, is gaining at least 100 pounds a month averaged. And right now, he actually weighs almost 800 pounds. All right, for the final pop quiz, we gotta know, what are rhinos' horns made of? Is it A, bone, B, keratin, C, unobtainium? That's right, B, it is keratin. So the same stuff our fingernails and our hair is made out of too.
We're helping to save the rhinos. Did you know that currently white rhinos are labeled as near threatened on the IUCN endangerment list? Although they are only near threatened, their population is rapidly declining due to poaching. But here at Natural Bridge Wildlife Ranch, our efforts to help in conservation are partially through breeding. We are one of the 33 accredited facilities that's been able to reproduce a white rhino. This past year, we were fortunate enough to welcome rhino calves Truda and Rudy. You can meet our awesome moms and babies with a behind-the-scenes tour experience at Natural Bridge Wildlife Ranch, where you can get up close and personal with our rhinos. Don't forget to tune in next month when we're going to be talking about all the babies here at Natural Bridge Wildlife Ranch.